Asanas allow the body to feel so light that we forget the body. Angalagavam is the word used in Sanskritam. Angalagavam means the body feels so light. Lagavam, lagu, light. When we feel discomfort in the body feels heavy. We are constantly reminded of the discomforts of the body. Whereas when the body is healthy, have you noticed, the body feels so light and agile that we forget the body. We forget the body and we can direct our awareness to important things, maybe study or maybe in the job at hand. So we are not anchored by the heaviness of the body. We have transcended the body. That is Angalagavam. That is where the body practices such as asanas help us with. And Patanjali, he makes a very interesting statement. Remember, I said there are 3 sutras on asana in the Yoga Sutras. One of the sutras, he says, Tato dwandwaha anabhigataha. That means the practice of asanas removes any conflicts in that system. Dwandwas means dualities or divisions or conflicts. Asanas remove conflicts in the system. And my teacher used to give this example very frequently. The example of the tongue and the body's intelligence. When we sit for a meal, the tongue says, oh, give me tasty food, delicious food. The body, the cellular community of the body says, give me nutrition, give me nutritious food. And unfortunately, there's a huge war that is raging between the tongue and the body's intelligence. It is like a Kurukshetra war. There is a war or a conflict of interest that is happening. The tongue wants tasty food, the body wants nutritious food, and they are at odds with each other. It's like a Kurukshetra war. In fact, Bhagavad Gita says that the whole body is a kshetram. Idam shariram kaunteya kshetramiti abhidiyate. That's what Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. So this kshetram, this place called the body, is filled with conflicts, like the conflict between the tongue and the body's intelligence. And there are numerous conflicts all over the place in the body. And Patanjali says, the practice of asanas resolves the conflicts. That means the fight is no longer there, because what the tongue wants and what the body wants will become one and the same. In other words, with continued practice of asanas, our food preferences will change. What we decide is delicious will be different now. Previously, delicious food means junk food. Now, with the practice of asanas, what happens is nutritious food becomes delicious. So we can trust the tongue, you see. We can trust the tongue because they are in the same team now. There is no conflict anymore. The dwandwas have been resolved. So that is how it brings a unity, an organic unity to our existence, the practice of asanas. And where do these dwandwas come from? These dwandwas, these conflicts, come from rajoguna. It is said that the dwandwas, all this inner conflict, comes from rajas. In fact, the word rajas and the English word rage, they come from the same root. So there is rajas. Rajoguna brings all these conflicts in the system. So the point that Patanjali makes is, with the practice of asanas, rajas comes down, rajoguna comes down.